welcome to another video. Today I have another vacuum unboxing. In this box I should have a, well, I would count this as vintage. It's an early 90s Henry, which I brought off another collector, Ryan, who is Numatic 10 on YouTube. Won't really need to do nothing to this one, because he's already done it up for me, which is nice of him. So yeah, let's crack on with it. Open up the box, very nicely packed. Obviously it's all being polished and stuff. But yeah, it's a machine I've probably been after now for a little while. But yeah, it's all had a polish and stuff, so it's all nice and ready to go on display in my room. But anyway, it's a hvr200 from 1993, from the 35th week. But yeah, let's try and get it out of the box. See, there we go. I have got myself a yellow 90s Henry. Been looking for one of these for a little while now. I've actually got a red one as well. But yeah, here we go. Not got the original plug on it, unfortunately, but I can probably find myself a cable from somewhere. Inside, he's put a genuine paper bag in it for me as well, which is nice. Let's see what year this is from. This is 2006, this bag. But yeah, it's all come out pretty well, really. Tub's nice and clean. Tub's in actually pretty good condition. Eyes are a bit battered, but it is what it is. It's a fairly old machine, this. Filter's nice. These have gone a bit loose, they always do, these. But yeah, we'll plug it in quickly and we'll see how it's running. It does run quite nice apparently. So here we go. A little bit of bearing noise, but nothing too major. But yeah, there we go. There is my new yellow 90s Henry. This will actually go quite well with what I have up here, which is a 1993, again, from the 37th week of 1993, NV200. So let me stand back. They look quite good together, to be fair. NV200's slightly more battered than the Henry. But yeah, there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.